Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Notion. So what you want to do, guys, let me first create the space for this to draw. So I'm going to go ahead and click a new page right here, and I'm going to just type in, let's say, draw on Notion, right? Let's type that in, draw on Notion, and enter. No, the next thing you want to do, guys, is simply open up a new tab and you want to type in whiteboard. So W-I-T-E board, right? You don't want to use the word W-H-I-T-E, but instead use W-I-T-E because that's what the website name is. And you want to scroll down and look for the official website of W-I-T-E whiteboard. So this is it. And once you do that, click the URL and just simply copy that URL. Now, once you do that, head back over to Notion, guys, and you can either go ahead and paste that URL and it will give you the option to create an embed, or you can simply go ahead and do, for example, the forward slash, type the word embed, and you can just simply click an embed and you can add the URL right here. So whichever one you choose. Now, once you click an embed, guys, what it's going to do is going to create the whiteboard for you. And once this loads up, guys, guess what? You can start drawing in it. So let's go ahead and wait. It says loading, hang tight. We just need to be patient and wait for this to prepare so that we can start drawing in Notion. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for a while and this whiteboard one is actually not working at the moment. And in the past it works fine, but I don't know what the heck why it's not working right now. So guess what, I'm improvising. So I have went and done some research and I've actually found a lot more options. So I've went to Google and type in free online whiteboard, right? So one of the ones that I found that actually works is this free online whiteboard web here from onlineboard.eu. So let me just show you how it works step by step. So I'm going to open up this website here, onlineboard.eu landing page, and here right here it says create a new board without any login required. So you can click on that and it's going to take you right over here. So once you're in, guys, just simply go ahead and copy the URL here and head back over to Notion. Now go ahead and do the same thing, forward slash, type the word embed, and you want to go ahead and choose embed at the top there. Now you want to paste that URL that you get and click an embed link. It's going to go ahead and load up and it will actually show you that you're right in. Now, in case it pops up and say that you can click start or skip the tutorial, go ahead and do so, skip the tutorial. But you will have your login right in and you can start to draw whatever you want. As you can see, you can change colors, you can do whatever you want, guys, and you have the eraser that you can actually use, and it's super easy and super convenient. So that's it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and draw in Notion. I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.